Hey guys, wanna know how to create your password in OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, in order to create a fresh password, you need to also create a fresh account. So first off, just simply type in your email address, go next, and then type in your username. Now select next again. Now once you're there, select your country, your zip code, which is optional. Now head towards your gender and the gender you want to date. Now type in your birth date and then select next. And then here you have it. Now you can create your password. Now just simply insert a strong password. You can only do it by filling up all of those credentials before. So just type in your new password and then select sign up once the password is pretty strong. And there you have it. You have successfully created your account password. Now you can go ahead and continue with your desired relationship and so much more choice to put on. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos.